And as I promised you, my friends, I'll be focusing more on the deal of the day videos for the upcoming months, and I believe right now we are having a very good deal on the pound JPY. And please allow me to explain to you the reason why do I think that the pair is good to be bought as soon as possible. First of all, on the pound JPY on the daily chart, we can notice that the pair right now has actually been facing a very strong oversold level, which means it's on a very strong support zone. Since actually March 2021, the pair is ranging inside this support zone at 149.500. And the pair seems like it's unable to actually break out from that level of a support. And by looking at the daily candles right now, this price action right here, actually this one's showing here a strong pressure from both buyers and sellers, but however this strong engulfing bullish candle is actually telling us that most likely the market seems like it's going to continue the rise, especially knowing that this right here was a fake breakout from that support level. And right now for the last 4 working days we had right here a long tails, indicates that most likely the pair is gonna continue the rise from this level. And not to mention, of course, my favorite price action on the daily chart, which is right here. This candle right here, my friends, once you see this candle on a support level, you have to be sure that most likely the market is going to continue the rise in a bullish momentum. The same exactly you can see right here. This is almost exactly the same candle. They are very similar, and you can see the strong bullish movement once this candle has appeared. And of course, vice versa, this is the candle right here. Of course, now we are seeing it upside down on the resistance level, and again this usually indicates a bearish reversal, and again we can see this has happened. And right here again we are seeing it on a support level, and we can see the bullish movement. And again right here we see this the same candle, and again the market has continued to fall. Do you see what I'm talking about? This candle right here is usually indicates a reversal. If you see this candle right here on a support level, be sure that the market is going to make a bullish reversal. But if you see it, of course, on a resistance zone like that, be sure that the market is going to make a bearish reversal. So the reason right here, I believe the market is going to continue the rise, is seeing this candle on the daily chart. So by going to the 4-hour time frame right now, let me just delete this zone right here. Let me just go back to the daily chart right now. I think we need to see something. Yeah, on the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame right now, let me draw here a support trend line like that. And all I'm going to do, and using extreme trader style, is I'm just going to drag this support trend line and place it right here on that support level, and here as well. So what's going to happen next is the following. The market right now is facing a resistance level at 150.490. I think, upon the pressure from that resistance, the market is gonna continue the fall to make a pullback, and that support trend line gonna be respected, and the market is gonna continue the rise. And there is another thing. Let me just show you this. Let's go to the daily chart. Actually, no, 4-hour time frame. And right here, my friends, we're having this resistance trend line, as you can see, exactly like that. And to me, it seems like the pair is actually moving inside this channel, just like that. So most likely right now, the pound JPY is going on its way to reach the peak of that resistance trend line and complete the structure. And hence, I believe the pound JPY is definitely good to be bought as soon as possible. So let me just tell you this signal where we can start exactly buying this pair. Let me again draw the support trend line like that. And right now, let's look for the strongest horizontal levels of a support. And as you can see, my friends, this is exactly right here. And of course, I matched my line to be matching, of course, with this resistance right here, and that support here and here as well. So we are having right here what we can call like a safe zone. The pair is falling already. I think it's gonna be good to be bought right now. 150.267 is the level where we can start buying this pair, and the target, as I mentioned earlier, has to be right here at the resistance at 151.100, which means we are aiming approximately 90 pips of profit. 151.100 is our take profit level. Now for the safe zone, of course, the safe zone or the stop loss has to be placed exactly right here, right below that support level. Sadly, that's going to be about 56 pips, and I think that's fair enough. Stop loss 149.711. So I think the candle is reversing already. So the reason for placing the stop loss right here, my friends, is because we are actually relying on that support trend line. And if the market has been able to break out from it, most likely it's going to reverse later, but it can reverse actually on 149.420, which is going to be way big loss. I think it's going to be like 80 pips of loss, so therefore we can't keep the trade running that long. Anyway, the signal seems like it's going to be triggered very soon. Let me now upload this video and get done with it. So of course, in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.